What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are gonna see on Instagram how you fix the Instagram status not showing online. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram. Once you're there, make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to your profile and then go to the three lines icon on the top right, and in here just scroll down and go to time management, and here you will find your sleep mode. So it is turned off, turn it on, and then go back and then scroll down and you will find your account status or active status. If you can't find it, then just search for active, show activity status, and here turn it on. So once you turn it on, it allows accounts to follow you and anyone get message to see when you are last active or currently active on Instagram Maps. When it's turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So make sure to turn it on and go back, and hopefully this will work now. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.